one other thing I will say, actually, guys, sorry, just before I close that out, is that once these links start being built on these campaigns, remember what I did. I created a project. I'll just go through the steps quickly, just so we got it at the end of the webinar. We started off, we created a project. It was the lead gen project. We only wanted this because we're just going to use one set of accounts for this website. I then went into the accounts. I created the accounts for bookmarks. I created the accounts for blog posts. I was a bit hasty at the end of that campaign, and I added Web 2.0 profiles. I shouldn't have done that because I hadn't created the accounts yet, okay? So I would need to come back and create all of these accounts.
No,
okay?
no, James. Here regarding Web 2.0, so in campaigns, it always creates accounts because it is profile pages, you know, so it can create it just once.
Oh, okay, cool. So that's good then. Okay, cool. So ignore what I just said there. But anyway, we created the accounts. After we created the accounts, we just went to campaigns. We filled the info in after clicking create new. And we followed the steps there. We created our little diagram, embedded our stuff, click go, and the campaign's now live. Okay, so there's only a few steps: create project, create accounts, go into the campaign. Once all of that's done, your links will start appearing in Links Manager. Okay, it's going to take a little while for it to go through and do that stuff. Let me just quickly check to see if there's anything in. Oh, did I do it under? Where did I do it under? No, this is a different campaign, I think. Is this campaign or no? This is a different campaign I ran earlier. Okay, but anyway, this is the campaign that I ran earlier, and this is where you can see your links coming in. So again, this created hairdressers Chorley. Best hairdressing studio in Chorley is the tag there. You can see the link was created here. Oh no, this is the one that I literally just posted now, I think.
It's new. It's new.
Yeah, this is a new one. Okay, so we look at this right now, just based on that campaign. 24th, it's got an embedded map. There's the link pointing back to my website. It's got the address and it's got the telephone number. Okay, this looks pretty good, right? Considering I didn't have to do it myself manually. Here's the beauty of it. If I go into the about page and there's something that I don't like, I now own this. So you can see this about page says this is just a paragraph you can quickly edit or delete. But here's the beauty of this, right? In case you are worried about that. I just need to go into Ranksnap. I need to just find that wherever it was. This one right here, was it? Was it this one? Brave Sites. Okay, go up to the accounts. Go to blog posts. If there's ever anything that I want to edit, all I need to do is go and find the logins right here. I just need to click, and here's my login for that site. Here's my password. Okay, so I can just go here and we can log into this website, get started. Let me just quickly head back. Whoops. Go to the root URL, bravesites.com. You see it's BraveNet. I can click account login and I can drop my username and password right in there. And then just in case, like, you don't really need to worry about doing anything, but just in case you want to show this to a client, this is still infinitely quicker than having to have manually created it all yourself. We can drop our username in, we can drop our password in, and we can say, actually, I just want to change the default theme. Or actually, I just want to add my own bit of information. I want to add my client's logo. Okay, so you can see here's the actual site. I'm now logged in manually. I can click edit. This is everything that the software added for me up to this point. And if I want to change anything at all, like the contents or the layout, fix something in the about section, contact, I might just want to come into here